Sitting on productive acreage near the Buffalo National River, this modern farmhouse offers ponds, fenced pastures, and true rural freedom, all in one complete Arkansas property. As you arrive, the land opens up into a peaceful countryside setting, surrounded by rolling pasture, natural landscape, and wide open views. The property is designed for privacy and functionality, making it ideal for anyone looking for a working farm, homestead, or private rural retreat. At the center of the property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom farmhouse, offering approximately 2,900 square feet of living space. The home has been recently refreshed and features a modern farmhouse aesthetic that blends clean updates with rustic charm. Inside on the main level, the layout includes a spacious living area, kitchen, dining space, laundry room, mudroom, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a dedicated office. The design is open and practical, making everyday living comfortable and efficient. Upstairs, you'll find an additional bedroom, bathroom, living area, and a bonus room that adds flexible space for guests, recreation, or multi-use living. Every area of the home has been designed to maximize comfort and usability. One of the standout features is the wraparound porch, offering panoramic views of the surrounding pastures and making it the perfect place to relax and enjoy the natural setting. Outside, the property is fully set up for agricultural or hobby farming use. It includes multiple fenced pastures with newer predator-resistant fencing, suitable for livestock or animals of different types. Water features are a major highlight here, with 3 stocked ponds across the property, including 2 spring-fed ponds with natural spring heads, adding both beauty and functionality to the land. A large barn provides stalls, storage, and shelter, and is enhanced with supplemental solar panels for added efficiency and utility. The property also includes recent upgrades, such as new AC units, electrical improvements, hot water heaters, solar lighting, serviced septic, city water, and high-speed internet. Located near the Buffalo National River, this Arkansas farmhouse offers a rare combination of modern living, productive land, water resources, and complete rural privacy in one exceptional property.